So today we're gonna unbox this speaker from Konzert with a K. It's a Aurora 6 portable party speaker. So has a remote and then one microphone, a wireless one. So designed and engineered by Samani Venture Corporations, Pasay City, Philippines. So designed there, but it's actually made in China. I'm sure other information, it's 4,500 watts. So 4,500 watt PMPO, Bluetooth, and TWS. So I guess if you have two of these, then you can pair it using the TWS feature. FM tuner, USB playback, USB mic recording, micro ST playback, aux in, remote control, and then yeah, all these other stuff. So it has a 5,500 milliamp hour battery. Not sure what the voltage is, but it has two 2-inch tweeters, two 6.5-inch woofer, one guitar input, one wired mic input. So one multi-channel frequency mic. Aurora before. LED party light. So straight out of the box, we have a manual. We got a power plug, one remote control. I'm not sure what this is, but I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be on the speaker to hold and this microphone. Here we have. Alright, so this is the close-up of the speaker. We have bass and treble button, the equalizer button. This is for the LED lights, and then recording. We got the M/G. I'm not sure what that is, but guitar port, mic port, and the aux port, TF card slot port, and then the USB port. And we got, I think this is for skipping and going to the previous song if you're using the USB or TF slot. And then I think this is play pause, and then this is loop. Then you have your mode. And then here you got the button right here. So that's the top part. So we have your LED screen here. I'm not going to remove the covering for it. Yeah, it almost looks like a JBL, but it's not. Then you got rubber feet on the side just in case you want to put it on the side. What else? You can put your phone here. Oh, both sides have it. And then we come to the back side of it. Okay, you got your warranty seal. We got your outputs, right and left. I guess if you want to connect it to another amplifier, and you can put that here. And then this is the spot for this. So then, or is it this way? Let me see. Okay, like that. And you have your off in the middle, AC in on this side, and then the battery on this side. So, and then you have your AC input. Well, pretty bright lights on the handlebar. Okay, let's go to this front. You have your indicator in the front, battery indicator also just underneath the E. And then yeah, let's change the lights of this. Looks pretty nice. Let's do it from far away. Okay, so we're playing music from the USB. Skip. Treble, and this is the bass. Okay. That's pretty loud. That's pretty loud. So if you want to turn off the lights, you just hold down the light button.